For a long time, I have been wanting to get an extra portable monitor to add to my setup. Initially, I looked at a few options including popular models like the Asus ZenScreen, MSI Pro or SOPA, etc. Each of these is a good choice for anyone looking for a portable display. But they were either too expensive or not available in my area, so I decided to wait. Recently, while browsing for some accessories on AliExpress, I found a portable monitor that caught my eye. It was priced at just $35, which was much cheaper than the other options. I checked the product reviews and went through the product description. Even though I knew some of the reviews might be fake, I still wanted to give it a try. So I decided to order one. To my surprise, the package arrived within 10 days, which was pretty fast. In today's video, I will be unboxing and testing this $35 portable monitor that I bought from AliExpress. Let's see if it lives up to my expectations and whether it was worth buying. As you can see, the product arrived in a simple plain box. There is no branding or fancy design on it, just an image of the monitor printed on the top. On the left side of the box, a few key features are listed such as ultra-thin design, reverse power supply, mini HDMI port, Type-C data transmission ports, and built-in audio. The right side shows icons of compatible devices indicating different types of connections. On the bottom, you will find general information including the product name, company details, a high voltage warning, and compliance logos. Now let's get into the unboxing. Opening the box, you can see that the monitor and accessories are neatly packed and well protected with foam. It's nice to see that they took care to ensure the product would arrive safely without any damage. Removing the top layer of foam, we get our first look at the monitor, which is securely covered in foam. After removing the foam cover, we finally get a clear look at the monitor itself. It looks sleek and compact. There is a plastic sheet attached to the screen, secured with tape to prevent any scratches during shipping. Inside the box, there is a user manual titled Edge FRT Portable Monitor, which seems to be the brand name. A monitor stand usage guide is also included. These booklets provide details on setup, troubleshooting, and using the stand. Moving on to the accessories, the first item we find is an HDMI to mini HDMI cable. One end has the standard HDMI connector, while the other is mini HDMI, making it easy to connect the monitor to various devices. Next, there is a full-function USB Type-C to Type-C cable that supports both power and video, allowing you to power and display video using just one cable. We also have a basic USB Type-C cable for powering the monitor when using HDMI for video input. Additionally, the package includes a 20-watt power adapter, which should provide enough power to run the monitor. Lastly, there is a metal stand included for stable placement of the monitor on a surface. Returning to the monitor, let's remove the plastic sheet attached to the screen. The monitor has an 11.6-inch display with a glossy finish, giving it a sleek appearance. On the left side, there is a headphone jack, which lets you connect wired headphones directly to the monitor. This is a nice feature if you plan on using the monitor for entertainment like watching movies or playing games. Above the headphone jack, there is a menu button that lets you access the on-screen display menu to adjust settings like brightness and contrast. Next to that is the exit button, which also works as the power button. This dual-purpose design is quite common in portable monitors to keep things simple. On the right side of the monitor, we can see the ports. Starting from the bottom, there is a mini HDMI port followed by two USB Type-C ports. These are useful for connecting to different devices like laptops, smartphones, or even gaming consoles. Turning the monitor around, you will find two built-in speakers. While I don't expect high audio quality, built-in speakers are a nice option to have. There is also a QC pass sticker indicating the monitor passes quality control checks and 4-threaded holes for VESA mounting. This feature is helpful if you want to mount the monitor on a stand or attach it to a wall. Now let's move on to testing. I'm going to connect the monitor to my computer and see how it performs. I tried connecting the monitor using the full function Type-C cable, but it didn't work with my laptop. So I used the HDMI cable and powered the monitor with a power adapter. This 11.6-inch portable monitor has a resolution of 1366 by 768, providing decent clarity for basic tasks. With a brightness level of 220 nits, it's best suited for indoor use. The viewing angles are somewhat limited at 45 degrees horizontally and 20 by 40 degrees vertically, so side visibility might be affected. Due to its lower contrast ratio, black tones appear slightly grayish, especially in dim lighting. The 60 Hz refresh rate is smooth enough for everyday tasks, though it may not be ideal for gaming or work that requires precise color accuracy. If needed, you can adjust display settings using the menu button on the left side of the monitor. Ultra HDR mode in the settings menu enhances contrast, color range, and detail, making visuals slightly more vibrant and realistic. Overall, this lightweight and compact monitor equipped with Type-C and mini HDMI ports is a convenient secondary screen for on-the-go productivity. If you're interested in purchasing this affordable monitor, I have included a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.